Hey there friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to turn off Auto System Update in Android. Open the settings. The settings menu is the main control center of your phone, where you can manage and customize many important features. From here, you can adjust display settings, control notifications, manage storage and battery usage, set up security options, and access advanced system tools. It's the place where you can fine-tune how your phone works and make sure everything runs smoothly according to your preferences. Next, scroll and see the developer options. If you already have developer options enabled, simply tap on it to open the menu. If you don't see it yet, you may need to enable it first by going to About Phone and tapping the build number several times until the developer mode becomes active. Once you open developer options, scroll down through the available settings. Here you will see many advanced system features designed mainly for developers and advanced users. Look for the option Auto System Update. Tap on the Auto System Update toggle to turn it off. This will prevent your Android device from automatically installing system updates when the phone restarts, giving you more control over when updates are installed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and useful tech tutorials.